Alright, today we'll be doing something a bit different because it's Deadlocks 200 subscribers giveaway time, and today I have this Perfecta HC200 set of handcuffs. It's double locking. It works fine. Here you see there's a gap, and I can use this back of the key to lock it up there, and now it cannot open or close anymore further than it already was. Then with the key I can turn clockwise to unlock the double locking mechanism, and I can turn anti-clockwise to open the cuffs. So let's see if I can put this on and escape in an unexpected way, because the challenge is to escape with something that is not supposed to unlock a locking mechanism. I put the cuffs on this wrist because then I can at least show you what is inside with the camera angle, and I can hold the other one, so hopefully it doesn't make a tremendous amount of noise. So you can see here the double locking mechanism is not closed, so let me do that first. Now you can see it's fully closed. I cannot make it tighter and I cannot make it loose. So now let's see how we can get into this. And I figured one way that maybe we can get into this is by using something that is on my foot. This is the end of my shoelace, and I think we should be able to get it open with that. So first of all I need to get rid of this double locking mechanism. So I'll insert the end of the shoelace with that plastic cover in the end here, and I'm trying to flip that little thing there in the top that the key engages with, and that seems to have worked because now that is retracted. Next I can go to the other side, go clockwise, and see if I can disengage the handcuff. So there you go, all you need is shoelaces to get out of your handcuffs. Of course that doesn't work if there is a pole in the middle, because then you need something a bit slimmer. But for these handcuffs it works, and I'm pretty pleased that that my idea actually worked out. So I hope you enjoy this Deadlocks, and everyone else as well. Thanks for watching, take care.